Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will see one of the question on the concept of semaphores. Let's read the question. In a certain application, value of counting semaphore is initialized to 5. Following operations were completed on the semaphore in the given order like 12p, 2v, 8p, 3v, 6p, 1v. What is the current value of semaphore? Have you understood the question? Right? So just think about it. They have given one counting semaphore. This counting semaphore is initialized with the value 5. And the operations that they are following is given in the respective order. Okay guys? So which means that when a particular process wants to enter into the critical section, it has to perform down operation, then while coming out it has to perform up operation. You know, down operation means I can generally represent in the form of p, and up operation means I can represent in the form of v, right? These are the alias names, or I can write it as wait, and up I can write as signal, that we have seen in the earlier videos. Now what they are trying to do, on the outside of the critical section they are trying to perform the p operations, and on the other side of the critical section they are performing the up operation. What is the current value of the semaphore they are asking, right? So it is very simple when you are going to understand the concept. Initial value of the counting semaphore is 5, and if I say that 12p means what? I am going to perform 12 times down operation. When I am going to perform the 12 time down operation, how many processes are there in the ready queue or in the blocking queue? 7 processes are in the blocking queue. Am I right? That's what 5 minus 12 is leading to minus 7. Minus 7 means total 7 processors are there in the blocking queue. Next, they are performing 2 up operations. When performing 2 up operations, how many processes will be there in the blocking queue? Minus 7 plus 2 means I can write here to avoid the confusion. Minus 7 plus 2, it will be minus 5. By looking at this particular terminology, we can say that total 5 processes are there in blocking queue, right? Next, we are performing 8 down operations, which means it will be erased with minus 13, means minus 5 minus 8, which is minus 13. Next, 3 up operations are performing, which means you are going to get again minus 13 plus 3, which will be minus 10. Next, 6p operations means I am going to perform 6 down operations, means minus 10 minus 6, which means minus 16. Now final operation, that is 1 up operation, which means minus 16 plus 1, which is equal to minus 15, right? What is the current value of the semaphore? The current value of the semaphore is minus 15, which means how many processors are there in the blocking queue after completing all the operations? Total 15 processes are there in the blocking queue, right? Like this you can able to solve this kind of gate questions. Hope you understood this question clearly. Thank you.